Hello and welcome to the Saturday MP Show, episode number 76, being recorded mostly live, December 1st, 2025. I'm your host, Chris, and this is a show about shipping secure, high-quality software faster. And today, we're going to continue on with part two, I guess continuation. Hopefully, this is the only part where we finish off the lock Hack the Box challenge. So if we go look here, if those of you who haven't watched previous video, you can go watch it now. We were doing this Hack the Box challenge, a capture the flag, where we were going through it, and I guess I can get this official write-up open too, where we're going through it and just kind of step by step, and hopefully I'm learning, and hopefully you're learning as you watch this. So hopefully it's big enough, I think. Something like that. So we've got through this part, and we ran out of time just before we got to capturing the initial user flag. So we'll finish that off today, and hopefully we'll capture the root flag. So that's my goal for today. So yeah. So but before we jump into that, if you have any feedback or thoughts on this video, you can just put some comments below, kind of like or subscribe, share it with other people. If you find these videos useful, just sharing it's probably the best way. Just tell other people about it. And then doing the like and subscribing just helps with the algorithms to get it out to more people. Again, if you find this useful. If you don't find it useful, there's probably lots of other Hack the Box videos that might be more your style. This is mostly live, so I don't really edit these. They tend to be a lot longer videos than normal. So you're going to watch me screw up. So, so if you like watching people screw up and you like yelling at your screen when people screw up, if you notice something, this is a video for you. And just to get a sense, like there's already so many polished 5-minute, you could probably find a 5-minute video on how to solve lock. With lots of edits and cuts, but I don't know. I like these. Learn together, hopefully. You can also send emails to ask@SaturdayMP.com if you have any of that, or constructive feedback, or if you have anything you want to see in future videos. I'm thinking because this is the start of December, so the start of kind of the holiday season, Advent of Code is out. So I think the next couple of videos will probably be Advent of Code related. But if you want to see something else, maybe in the new year, give me a shout. I'd love to turn this into more of a Q&A show where people ask questions and I answer them. So, okay, so we got all our notes from last time here. Just to note, we have a new machine IP because we had to, obviously it's been a week or so. And for those who watched last video too, I figured out how to run Kali Linux from my Windows subsystem for Linux, but as a remote desktop. So we're actually in Kali Linux here. Because I ended the video last time because I couldn't, because we got to the part where we had to install a remote desktop client, which I never installed because my Kali was just a brand new Kali. So the last video took a while because I had to install a bunch of stuff as we went along. So I have the remote desktop already installed now, X-Free. And I'm just working inside Kali Linux remote desktop, so it might look a little different, and it'd probably be a little easier to, hopefully just easier for me and easier for anyone who's following along. So if you have any questions about how I set that up, just let me know. Maybe I'll make a video of it or blog post or something like that, how I set up remote desktop Kali Linux. The documentation was actually really easy on the Kali site. It worked really well. So, okay, so we have this. This is where we left off last time. We had hacked or cracked, I guess, this Gale. We found her a remote desktop configuration. We got her password, and now we're going to log in as her. So let's run this command. Actually, let me double check that my, whoops. I just want to make sure that that I have this open. Yeah, okay, cool. So my VPN is connected. All right, so shoot, because I'm in Cal, I can't. There we go. Hopefully that'll open up video. Okay, cool. So I did try this once just to make sure my remote desktop, but then I ended it right away. So let's. That might be a little small. I don't know if I can make this any bigger. Well, hopefully that's coming through okay. So, all right. Oh, and then I also have the write up off screen here. So I'm going to, maybe I'll try to show the write up here just so people can see. Right. So, you know, I could do the video without using the write up, but I probably would get stuck and it would just be 45 minutes of me not doing anything. And I'm using these to learn. I'm new at capture the flag events and some of the tools I get used. And I find if you don't know the tool or the vulnerability you're supposed to take advantage of, it can take a long time to figure it out. So, or it's almost like a trivia game. You just don't, if you don't know the answer, then good luck. So, okay. So we got here. I guess we did have a question. Oh yeah. What was the full path? Oh, okay. So let's add to that one first. Okay. So let's see. What is the path to this folder? Oh wait, but we found this on Ellen's. So, oh, I didn't write that down. Oh no. Can I, let's see. How much access does Gail have to this machine? I can't remember. So users, Ellen Freeman, there we are. Okay, I don't have access to it, but I think it was right on her desktop. So we could probably figure it out. Ellen.Freeman. I think it was desktop, wasn't it? Desktop. Submit. We're not really submitting the flag, I guess, but. Are all these submit flag? Huh. Man, okay. How do I? Maybe I'll just look her, because if we go here and desktop, maybe it was documents we found it. I don't remember now. Okay, this is where we're just gonna we're gonna cheat. We're gonna look. Oh, it was under documents. Oh, okay. It's documents. Documents. Oh, really? Oh, do I need the C colon in there? Oh, I do have it in there. Is that what we need? Do I need this in here? Oh, okay. Okay, we just need the whole path. Okay, so what is the password? All right, we figured that out and I actually wrote that down. The password was this. Thanks to that script. Again, that's something like finding that script to use probably would have taken me a while. It's kind of nice. I'm trying to also build up a toolkit of all these tools and when to use them. All right, so now there should be a flag on her desktop. Oh, okay. I think I saw that here. This user, is this it? Yeah, okay. So for those that never played Capture the Flag, this kind of represents like you found a sensitive file or you were able to kind of prove that you were able to get into a certain area you shouldn't have gotten into. It's usually just a text file with a flag in there. What is the difference? Like for me, I don't like all these are really hard because I wouldn't have known what to do. Medium? Sure. I think some other people rate these because they're much smarter than me. So, and then they have this PDF 24. So we're going to have to obviously do something with that. So I'm assuming PDF 24 has some sort of, oh yeah, there's their remote thing. It probably has some vulnerability with it. So I don't know, let's see what the toolbox says. Or can I make this bigger? I can move it around. I can't make it any bigger. Okay. Well, hopefully this is coming through okay in the video. Okay. I guess settings. So, How do I see updates? I'm not an administrator. That's fine. How do I see the version of this? Oh, there's a tray icon. Oh, there's an about. Okay. It's this 11.15.1. So it's probably 11.15.1. There's probably, yeah. Oh, the MSI installer for this version. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it's even pointing us in the right direction. So, so let's go search the CVEs for CVE. What was that called again? PDF 24. PDF 24. Okay. 11.14. What version did we enter? 11.15. A visible command window using the repair function. This allows an unprivileged local attacker to use chain of actions. Example, an op lock on. Oh, okay. I don't. It's pretty high. Okay. These look like the disclosure ones. Okay, so let's. Oh, am I stuck? What's going on here? Oh no, everything is really frozen. Okay, there we go. Oh, I didn't want you in a new window. Let's just put you in the same one. Okay. We can make that a little bigger. What the heck is this? Packet storm. Terms of service. Sure. Okay, and below, suffer from local period via MSI installer. For the exploit to work, has to be installed via the MSI after a load privilege user run the following command to start the repair and trigger the vulnerability. Oh, it even gives you the command. The subprocess PDF24 print installer exe gets called with system privileges and performs a write action on the file. Okay, so performs an okay. This can be used as an attacker by simply setting an op lock on the file as soon as it gets read. To do that, one can use the set op lock exe tool from this link here. Oh, that's interesting. See, this is something I never would have thought of because I think we've all seen, like, you've run an installer on Windows and these little like command windows briefly flash in front of you. Oh, okay. So this causes it not to close. Oh, okay. So right click on the top bar of the command window, click properties, legacy console mode, link. Open a link with a browser other than Internet Explorer or Edge. Okay, I guess we have to use Firefox. Control, is that O, I'm guessing? Oh, this, okay. Wow, this is a lot going on here. So how does, if the op lock is set, to spawn system shell. Okay, I'm really curious how this. So, okay, actually, I'm going to pause this video because I hate Google search. I'm going to switch to a different search. Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry, I'm back now. I installed the Kaji search. Yeah, I don't really guess I don't hate Google. I just Kaji I find is a lot better. Plus, I pay money for it. I might as well use it. Just Google search. I found it's really gone downhill over the years, which is really unfortunate. Like, I remember when it first came out, it was like amazing. It was so groundbreaking back in the day, but unfortunately now I just find it really frustrating. So, okay. So I'm just curious. So what I'm going to do is this is me learning. Hopefully we're learning together. I want to figure out more about spawn new terminal, Windows right click. And what's it called? Legacy console mode. So I've never heard of this before. So, okay. So legacy. Oh, how do I? I gotta change. Anyway, I guess some of this will be dark. I usually like light mode, but I don't want to try to figure out how to change that now. Okay. For any command line tools not displaying or operating correctly. First, open any console assume window, which you want the command or PowerShell. Right-click the application tile, choose properties. Okay. Okay, what does this look like? Okay, well let's bring up a term. Yeah, command prompt, I guess. So if I go here, click on properties. Under the options, click on legacy console mode. Open a link. Oh, let's see if we can get this going here. Properties. So there's a legacy console. Is I clicking on this? Oh, I don't want Edge. Start without your data. No, just no. Express. Okay, I don't really care. Can't reach this page. Okay. Font. Under options, click on the legacy console mode link. All right, do they have Firefox or something on? Oh, they do. Okay, well, let's... Okay, I'll just click on that. This part doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Okay. Mozilla, oh my God, Skip. Just let me use your thing. Okay. Open the link. Oh, so maybe we have to turn it into legacy console mode first. So if I do this, and then I go, and now I go here. Does it give me a link of some sort? Like, I'm assuming this just takes me to the... So if I go here, so open the link, and then, oh my God. Don't open as system. In the open browser window, press the key combination Control-0. Oops. CMD. That doesn't seem right. Like, I'm assuming I have to search for it, but... Okay, this part I don't understand. So this is weird. Is it because we have the op lock? So, let's get legacy console mode op lock. So, okay, so there's a bunch of op locks. What op lock do we want to set? Set op lock R. Oh, that's the lock one. Well, I don't know. Maybe let's take a quick peek. Okay, that's great. Okay. I don't even think you need to re-download it. You could probably just run the repair, I think. We can right click and select properties. Oh, so we do just copy that link. Oh, is it because we have the op lock thing going? This will open up a new terminal as system. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. So, I kind of want to experiment a little bit with this just to see how this works. Okay, first of all, let's reverse this back to its like this. Just make sure we did that properly. Okay. So now let's just write a little to a new text document. I'll just call it like test dot a bat file, sure. And then how do I open a bat? So it needs to read or write to a file. So how do we do that with a bat file? Bat file read from another. Da, 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 da. So that looks okay. I should be able to use the less equals. Okay, let's see if that works. So like set at echo off. I guess we could turn it off. Set /b content, sure, equals user dot txt. So if I just run this, it should just save that. Oop, get out of the way here. Oh, this, okay, great. I have to, oh, this is really slow. Okay. I need to go here, File Explorer, View, Options, View, display the full path, show hidden files. How do I show the full? I'm trying to remember what all these settings I need to set here. Okay, apply to all folders. Display, hide empty drives. Don't do that. Hide extend. Okay, there we are. All right, that's not. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now if we go here, yeah, it's got txt at the end. So stop that. Yes. So if I run this, it should just flicker. Now, if I open up this terminal and I set, so let's go look at this tool here. That was a bunch of them. Okay. Set op lock. That's what we want. Oh, it's a. Oh, it's. Do I have to compile this, or can I just have it? I could just download it. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I was hoping it was just a script, but let's see what it does. Set op lock. Probably the CPP has all the juicy bits. Okay, so yeah, we're setting it to read only. It's using interesting. Okay, and it just waits for the lock. Okay, so if I go here and I download your 7-zip file. Okay, so if I go. Do I have 7? Zip, unzip. Do I have unzip? I could open it in the file. Okay. Can I just do this? Oh. How do I? Oh, 7Z. Okay. Um, 7Z release dot 7Z. Oh my god. This is why. Okay. What is the flippin' command to unzip something using 7-zip? Extract. Oh. Oh, is it just an E? Oh. Thanks for being super consistent with the rest of everything. Okay. So now we have this. Oh, I have to somehow get this up there. How can I get? I guess I could just. Oh, I should have downloaded it on the. That was kind of dumb. I should have downloaded it from here. Okay, let's go here. Let's go here. Oh, not now. Go away. That was just not have an internet connection. Okay, so I have to figure out a way to get this file up there. Okay, I know the one guy talked about how to do it. So let's see. Does this have? Right, like we're going to be able to find a way to run it again, the MSI file. We host it locally using a Python server. Oh, that's interesting. So we run our own server here, and then we just grab it. Oh, okay. That's kind of cool. So I did download it. Now let me see here. Where the heck did I put it? In my downloads folder. So I should make this. How do I make this bigger view? If I just go Control Plus, nope. Oh, there. Whoops, there we were. Control Plus. Okay. Sorry, it's probably really hard to see. Okay, hopefully that's better. Okay, so we want to run. Let's go here, and then we can go back to this. Oh, that's kind of an interesting little trick I'll have to remember too, is just to run a Python server locally. So Python 3, sure. 5001. Okay. So now if I go here, I should be able to go curl, whatever my IP address is, which I'll have to look up here. What's this? 10.10.14.183. $14,183, 5001. I can't remember the rest of the commands. Let's go take a look. Oh yeah, and then I need to set op lock.exe, set op lock.exe. All right, cool. We got it. Yeah, so then we set this. So now we're going to, so if we look here, we can do /set op PDF 24 fax prn inst.log. Okay, so I'm assuming that's working. Right, and then we should just be able to run. Oh, we do have to find it, so we would have to find it again. Like can you just add? Maybe you can't add, remove programs. Like I might not be. Like if I just modified it, what would happen? Right, like they're going to kick off that, but I wonder if this would work. If this doesn't work, we can try the other one. So, right, so this is running the Microsoft installer. I don't know what FA means. Okay, let's try repair. Repair. This might not work because Gail is not. Well, she wouldn't be an administrator here either, so. Okay, it's thinking. This may take some time. Okay. I guess we just be patient. Ah, okay. Oh, Microsoft Edge. Okay, is that going to fail? Oh, no, maybe not. Okay. I'm still super curious how this magic happens. So we have the set op block. We have this. Like, are we just... Okay, so this should fail, right? Like it should just hang here. Op block triggered. Okay, so that's good. Oh, do I have to run it from there, or can I just copy? Oh, yeah, maybe this isn't the right way to do it, but... Oh, no, okay, this looks okay. So I go here. Assuming I have to click... oh, okay. Firefox. Yes. Right. Man, this is interesting. So and then command.exe. Why does this work? Like, this is really blows my mind why this works. I don't... Okay, so I don't need you privacy, but I want to go here. Control O. Oh, wow. Okay. So now I'm in. And then we can get the users admin. Wow. Okay. So, yeah, like I was going to say, what's the command to figure out who I am in Who Am I? Cool. Okay. I don't know. Right. And if we went users, right. And then we should be able to see, yeah. And then have us to save us from poking around. It's just right on the, yeah. And then if we just, can we cat this? Is there a cat command in, oh, it's type. In Windows. Okay, cool. That's really interesting. Okay, well let's enter all this stuff, and then I guess we can like wrap it up for people that wanted to watch this in action. It's done. And then for people who want more this is a CVE here. If people that want more details, like I'm gonna spend a little time poking around trying to figure out what the heck's going on. What was the full path to the MSI and explore? Oh, like again, we didn't really need to use it. We just kind of went in and ran it. But it was just steal it from here. It was in the install folder or something like that. Here. Oops, let's grab the C part of it. No, I can't get the I for some reason. Full path of the file starting with the driver. Okay. Submit the root flag. And that is. How do I copy things from this again? Edit. Let me. Okay, good. All right. How do I guess I should take a screenshot of this. Okay, hold on for a sec while I pause this, take a screenshot. Okay, we're back. I'm always afraid I'll forget to click the record button again. And all right, so oh, can I? Oh, I guess I could have taken a screenshot here later. Okay. All right, so that's done. So like we'll wrap it up here for those that are interested, or those that are like, hey, it's solved. I guess you don't have to watch anymore, but I'm going to poke around for maybe the next 15, 20 minutes to try to figure out how that, to research how this using this op lock to lock that thing, and then how this legacy thing works, because that is really interesting to me. So I guess a brief sign off here. Oh, I guess I'll have to write these steps down too later. But yeah, again, if you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, share it. Again, it just helps with the algorithms. It makes me feel better, but it helps with the algorithms. If you found this useful, other people might as well. You can always send an email to ask@SaturdayMP.com. Leave some constructive criticism, comments, questions, any feedback in the comments on YouTube if you're watching this on YouTube. And yeah, and thank you very much for watching. I guess this is like the simple end. So cut off. I don't know if we'll have an end screen, a temporary end screen now. I don't know how to edit videos very well. That's why I usually don't. But yeah, so for those of you still around, let's try and figure out, or if people know, like write it down in the comments below, like how this works, because I'm really curious about this. Like stopping the installer halfway through because it's a root shell, but it was kind of stopped on that file. But the fact that you could do this whole weird thing. So, okay, so let's see what we can figure out. So how does op lock with what was it, legacy console link work? Like this will, oh yeah, let's make this bigger. Okay, op locks are locks that a client places on a file residing on a service. Mechanism is primarily used by network redirectors on clients. With command window legacy console work. So I guess having legacy console mode is not a great idea. Legacy console mode. Of these applications. Okay. Legacy console mode. Open link in Firefox. Like, why? How does that even work? To open a link in Firefox. Okay, is there? Like, none of these searches are really helping me. Oplock. Command.exe hack. So when the client places on a file residing on a server, okay, done. So all clients cache data locally, reduces network traffic, improves. When a client has an oplock, it can perform operations in the file without constant. However, if another client needs access to the file, leverage, for instance, an attacker might place an exclusive oplock on a file that a system process expects to modify or delete. So, okay, we caused it to hang. Maybe this one. This one looks promising. Okay, we're going the wrong way. Those are symbolic links. That's not. Oh, go away. All right. Well, whatever. Oh, deny. Why are these all system links? Did I enter? Oh, yeah. No, these are all. Okay, where's this one? What's this one? We use. Okay. And the reason Origin Explorer. I still don't understand how this like, okay, so this makes sense to me. Locking the file doesn't close. This looks really weird. This looks like a peely sticker, a sticker that's peeling off the page. legacy console mode link cmd.exe. Important to note that this legacy console should be applied to a shortcut. Oh, interesting. Oh, so it won't work. Okay. Why does clicking on legacy console mode open a new CMD prompt? Right, because that's still that really baffles me. That just seems like it should never work. Control O cmd.exe. Right, because it doesn't say. The command really gets open, doesn't execute, doesn't close. Spawn a system shell. Okay, maybe that's what I need to search for. Spawn a system shell. Legacy console mode link. Okay, maybe. Okay. Okay. Oh, this doesn't look like it. Spawn a system shell. Firefox control O. Well, I can't. Like, why did we have to, like, that? This part's really weird. We had to right click, go to properties, open a link with a browser other than Firefox or Edge. Is that because, so if I go here, okay. Is that because I'm running as, is this because I'm running this browser as admin? Is that why? Maybe that's it. Maybe because when I click the link, like this opens. Oh, okay. Maybe that's it. Maybe because clicking this link for some reason opens this browser as that. All right. Can I see? All right. How do I view running processes on Windows 10 with user view? Yeah. Let's just running process on Windows 10. Can we do this with the command line? Task list. Okay. So if we go look at this. All right. So this is one, we're already admin. So if we just do task list. All right. That's a lot in there. Okay. How do I, is there a Firefox? Oh yeah, get T. Where, okay, so there's Firefox. How do I see RDP TCP 0? Is that? Oh, it's a session name. How do I see the user? View running processes and user on Windows 10 command line. What would you even call that? Windows 10 view user running process. Oh, test /v. Okay. Let's see if that does it. /v. Okay, so that looks better. So Firefox, let's see. Running. Oh yeah, they're all running a system. Now, if I just... Oh, okay. So clicking that link somehow kept it as system, I guess, is what it did. That's really interesting. Right, because these are all running as Gale. Oh, okay. So it's all of Firefox is open. And then if I run, I just type command, it just took me to C Windows System. Oh, that's really interesting. Okay, so I think I understand why this works. Is that for some reason, when you click on this link here, this opens the browser with the system, the same permissions, I guess, that this. That's interesting. Okay. Let's see if we can find that book. So, legacy console mode link opens browser as admin, system admin. Okay, so this guy, Windows privilege escalation. Is there a legacy? Da. Missing quiet parameters that spawn conhost exe as NT system. Use Control A to select some text note. We'll pause the execution. Huh. Okay, so I guess that's interesting. That seems like a bug. Like, why would it launch your browser as the same user as... Huh, that totally seems like a bug. Okay, let's try it. Just this whole one word. Oops. Put a space in there. Oh, so this is relatively new. Oh, interesting. So it looks like, well, the bug's been around for a while, but people just... Oh, okay, this is what I was looking. Oh, thanks. Let's look this up. Oh, that's really interesting. Okay. Oh, how do I... Oh, there's the blog. CVE. Ugh, like these are not very useful sometimes. Okay. MSI installers. First explain. Okay. Right, yeah, because this must, so you're already in, this window is system, like administrator. Clicking this opens the browser in administrator for some crazy reason. And then command.exe runs this, I guess, Firefox or whatever, which is probably not great either. We'll just run any old command you type in there, any executable. Okay, if the browser already is open, the link, yeah, okay. Several actions. Well, a normal GUI repair does not repeat every step. Okay. Okay, so we got kind of lucky when we did it. Yeah, okay, if it closes too fast in an op lock. Okay. Yeah, files are written are good targets. Sometimes loaded DLLs do work. How does the vulnerability occur? Okay, like I understand the installer part. Now activates a user prompt when an elevated privilege. Disable repairing. Detection. Like it just seems that opening the browser, like that should be the fix. Like don't open your browser as an admin. Oh, that's crazy. Okay. Okay, I think I understand how that works. So, well, I guess if you hung around for the second part, thanks again for watching. Again, if you have any feedback or anything, leave it down below. If you could think of another something I missed or a better way to explain how this vulnerability works, yeah, leave it in the comments or shoot me an email at ask@SaturdayMP.com. But yeah, that's pretty crazy that I wonder who the heck figured out that clicking this would open a new browser with system admin privileges. That's pretty wow. That's pretty interesting. Okay. Sorry, I got off track there. But yeah, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time and attention. And hopefully I'll see you again next week. Take care.